Hello, come back again with Learning Thai with Tuk today, and today I gonna talk about this word, which I'm quite sure that you can see a lot of these words in many places in Thailand. That word is stop, S-T-O-P, stop, stop sign. In Thai we say หยุด like that หยุด หยุดเดี๋ยวนี้ stop now หยุดเดี๋ยวนี้ stop, S-T-O-P, stop หยุด หยุด you can see this sign very often, especially in traffic on the road, that you can see when you drive a car and you learn about the sign. You can say stop, you can see it, stop sign, stop หยุด stop. Or when you can use or make up a sentence like stop, don't run, it's dangerous, stop now หยุดเดี๋ยวนี้ don't run อย่าวิ่ง it's dangerous มันอันตราย stop now หยุดเดี๋ยวนี้ stop or stop please โปรดหยุด please โปรดได้โปรด please stop หยุด. So that is very easy word that you can remember and you can say when you don't want somebody to do something, and you can say like stop now หยุดเดี๋ยวนี้ หยุดเดี๋ยวนี้ stop. So I hope that you can learn a little bit more of Thai language, and thank you very much for watching to my video, and see you for the next time. Bye bye.